Hello everyone, welcome to Useful Tech, and this video I'm gonna show you the solution of if your ads are not showing. I'm gonna show you in this video the complete solution of this, so watch this video. So friends, if you make an app and everything is good in your app, you put ads here, and also you make blogs for your app. So if everything is ready, then your ads will be not loaded. What is the reason? The reason is the sign it key. So if you're not sign your APK, your ads will be not loaded. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign your APK and show your ads. So friends, just create app and Thunkable. You can see friends, there's a lot of industrial ads that change your ad units. So add ads. If you have any IIF file, you can edit it. So then simply click on save APK for my computer. So APK my computer. So save this to APK, and then install this app on your phone, or you can install this app on your emulator. So now I will show you for testing purpose on emulator. So just after that, go to Google Play Store and download APK Editor Pro. If you can download this, I will give this APK Editor Pro link on video description, so you can download easily this. And simply click on APK Editor Pro. After that, must remember to change your settings from here. Click on the setting button, and then go to sign APK with, and then key created APK editor. This must be checked. After that, go back and select APK file. So sorry friends, select from APK and select your app. Let's suppose this is my app. So full edit resource rebuild, and click on. After that, click on any of these edit text, and then click on cancel button. After that, click on this build. You can see friends here, click on this build button. You can use your mobile. I'm using for testing purpose this emulator. So simply click on build button. So now remove the old file that ads are not loaded. Okay. And now install the new version that ads are loaded 100%. If this trick is helpful for you, please do subscribe to my channel and must comment on my video. So friends, thanks for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.